Hi friends, I'm here to read a book called Firehouse Dogs. These fire dogs keep their truck very clean. They will be ready when they arrive on the scene. At the firehouse, the dogs learn what to do, how to fight fires and make heroic rescues. In the middle of the day, it's time for lunch. It takes a lot of hamburgers to feed this hungry bunch. They take care of the truck and checking every light and ladder. When they fight a fire, every detail will matter. The sirens are ringing. The dogs have gotten a call. While putting out flames, these firefighters are the bravest of all. Bye, friends.